back to fishing pole tips. Use 21 uses for your fishing pole. Number 1, fishing. Number 2, pointing out shells. Robert, tell them the number 3 method for your fishing pole. Social distancing. It's 6 feet long. Because people just walk by us, so Robert stuck out his fishing pole so they'd have to go around.
It's supposed to be 15 feet. So it took a couple of days.
Yeah.
And then some.
So yeah, there are signs all over the beach to please maintain social distancing. Apparently a lot of people cannot read because we are having trouble with people getting a little too close for comfort on this beach. So it's now a social distancing fishing pole. Robert looking at the old shoreline. I'm looking at the new one. Not that impressed with the new one. Plus this one was driven over by the turtle people, turtle hunters. But I'll look through. Shells are pretty resilient. It's kind of hard. Some of them, kind of hard to break some of them. But these are all itty bitties. Itty bitties. Let's look at this one up here. Wow, this is like deep. Right off the bat, there's a spiral. There's an olive. I see something good. Do you see that? Do you see something good? I do. Right there. Very nice. Oh, can I reach it? Oh, I gotta get up. So see, even though this pile looks driven over and there wouldn't be anything good, finding several goodies. Oh, right there. These people, they don't know the meaning of social distancing. Shame, shame, shame. I just said that in my video. They don't know the meaning of social distancing. It's a good thing I'm in a good mood. Otherwise I was like, I'm not going crabby all over their butts. Probably. Oh, look at this. I wasn't listening. I didn't hear them talk. I found several good ones in this pile. Oh, here's a spiral. Piece of a sand dollar. Oh, this would have been nice if it would have been whole. See, I'm finding several goodies in this. I already showed that, but another one. Ooh, look, there's a mini shark's eye. And I can't get it to focus. Robert's doing the pointing method again. You're trying to, okay, go ahead, let's see this. Look at this baby shark's eye I found.